effects across compositions. Now, if you want to look at this, it's a Photoshop document that I made in one of the previous videos. It's got stripes, bars, wine bottle, 3D, text, a gradient background, noise, etc. and so forth. Okay? And this file is made to learn some of the effects that you can do in After Effects. Alright, now what I want to do is show you how to have an effect go across two compositions. In other words, I have these bars, okay? And what I want to do is animate the bars so they go up and down really quick, and then put that over the top of another composition and use that as an alpha. So now I have an alpha that actually moves. I'll show you how that works. So just keep in mind that anytime we want something to be different, we can use a distort. In this case, there is a distort called offset. I'm going to put that over the top of my bars. Oops. Let's go to bars. Here's offset on top of bars. And if I drag this, you can see it just offsets it. Well, what I want to do is first reset it, put a key in place over Shift to center, and then move my timeline over, and then go all the way down until it goes through one whole cycle. Now if I hit my spacebar, I got this. So that is a moving layer. Now if you go back to project, let's say I have combo. Let's Control C and Control V combo. Now we got combo 2. In combo 2, I'm going to shut that off. And I'm just going to turn on maybe something like the gradient background. Okay. So I got combo 2 that looks like this. I got combo 1 that looks like this. And now I can actually go in here and I can make a third combo if I wanted to. Same size, 1920 by 1080. So combo 3 would be, I can rename this. I can call that main. This one I'll rename it to be called moving bars. This one I'll just rename it to be grad for gradient. This is a way of compositioning different compositions together. Okay, here's my main. I'll work on that. In my main, I have some moving bars, and I'll drag those down. Here's my gradient. Okay. The moving bars are going to be my alpha. So I just drap this down to stencil alpha. Now if I hit my play, I have this. Now if I want that to go forever, I could trim the composition. There we go. Pretty neat, right? Again, that's just a small example of things, you know what I mean? Just it shows students that compositions can be made of several layers, okay? And any layer could be on and off or have an animation. You could take two compositions, put them together. You can take and make a third composition, and then that could be a composition of compositions. I think what really gets people or students on After Effects is the fact that there are compositions, and what are compositions? New students get really confused about them. But here hopefully is a little tiny example of how you can use them to manage effects. Enjoy.